Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a demonstration of this crossbow that I bought 3 years ago for my Halloween costume. I never got a chance to use it, I guess I was too busy for it. But today I tried it and I was very happy with the result. So the point is that I paid for this thing only $35 at Walmart. And I'm very happy how it looks. I mean, I bought it only for the look. That was for my costumes. It's made in Taiwan, but I really like how it is engineered. It's pretty. I find it very pretty. So let's see. Alright, I missed the center. Let me try again. It was pretty close this time. Let's make a third attempt. This time I was worse, but I'm still pretty happy of the result. Thanks for watching. And actually, I'm having a hard time to remove the dart. They say on the box that it has not a power but a force of 80 pounds. I can believe that. I remember I had a very hard time just to put the string on the bow. I can't take it off. There we are. I don't know if we can see how deep those holes are. Anyway, thanks for watching.